Alright, mateys. This here about Captain Jack Thrapper. We're at the Russell staging area in Cedar Springs, Michigan, where we just concluded our live stream. And I managed to talk like a pirate 99% of the time for an hour. But I've been inspired. I've been talking like a pirate the rest of the day. After all, it is September 19th, 2020. It is International Talking Like a Pirate Day. Either me bucko. Alright, we'll be showing you around. There'll be bicycles. There'll be no snowmobiles. This be a snowmobile trail. It's part of the White Pine Trail, which is growing every year. There are places where it's not connected, but slowly but surely they are connecting it. Not all with snowmobiles, but for people to take hikes, ride the bicycles. I don't want you to run your snowmobile when there's less than 4 inches. Maintain it December 1 through March 31. Or there'll be a big parking lot, very big parking lot, where people can park the trailers, unload the snowmobiles. It'll be a beautiful day. A beautiful Saturday in Cedar Springs, Michigan. As you can see, Cedar Springs, 2.5 miles. Howard City, 15.5. Big Rapids, 37.5. Reed City, 50. And Cadillac, 78.5 miles. Are very pretty. Very pretty. And it be tight maintained now. Somebody be mowing the grass through here. Somebody. I look at it. That sign say about the same thing as we seen before. And we'll go back to the south. There'll be a Russell Road there. We be just to the west of Summit. Summit, I don't know if it's an avenue or a street, but it's called Summit. And we be about a half a mile north of 14 mile. The trail continues, but no snowmobiles to the south of Russell Road. So this be the starting point. And I don't know if this gentleman will want to be on film, so I'll be walking. I will say ahoy to him though. Ahoy! He didn't even acknowledge me. He probably thought I was some kind of a cartoon character. Or perhaps this camera was a weapon. Arr. Okay, mateys. Maybe blabbering long enough. We be facing west. And we be going west here soon. Got to get back to the cottage. Do some work. Upload film. Make thumbnail for tonight for the Dr. Philin show. But there be where we had a table chair and the new Chromebook set up. So this makes me mad that somebody would come in here and just dump their junk, but somebody else I have to clean up. Just makes me mad. I did get some metal out of the pile. Maybe another piece of trash on the other side of the Debbie. Debbie be doing good. She be a good lassie. I think she likes doing these adventures with me. Yeah. For a couple more weeks, lassie, we'll be doing some adventures. I'd be proud of you. You transport me and my computer and my coffee cup. Alright, mateys. Gotta put these in the truck. Head back to the cottage. As always, fair winds and smiles. And may God bless. I'll be seeing you tonight, 7 p.m. Eastern, the Dr. Phelan Show for International Talk Like a Pirate Day. Arr. See you soon, ladies. Take care, and God bless.